Yeah, so I have this is the second part of the series, and in this part, we'll see how we can create the maximum salary using based on their job title. So let's see, in the previous video, we have seen that we are getting two values from sales which having 75K in salaries, right? So now here I have write a SQL query by using CTE, and I have gave my city name as this, and then the select query. In the city, I have write first I would take EMP ID, and then I calculate my as this. So which bring us the full name column as this. So and then the title and then salary. And now these are the additional thing which bring as it's basically I have added this particular row, get a single result on based on the cell which we got the two entries at the center. So here I have used the row number and then over and then partition by title, then order by the city using descending. So with that of descending, we get maximum salary first and then the lower as the series goes. And I have assigned and gave alias is bank, and then this is the table, and this is the join which I have applied. This is the same join instance on the same table. This is this. Here I pass or change the numbers. It will our result. So let's see. I have used one first. So I just execute this. So you see there is only one value for sales manager, which is 75K. That means little bit zoom in. So you see. And now I just place this row and then execute this. So you see now the Emily Johnson sales manager comes and then this. So this is basically based on, so as you see, I have used order by and salary, which is descending and partition title. So this will brings an effect, and I just use rank as 3, and now I just execute that. So you will be able to see that they're getting more results based on their salary. So what does this code? Let me repeat again. This SQL code selects the highest paid employees for each job titles from a table. It ranks employee by salary within each title group and retrieve only those where highest salary from each title. This SQL query assigns a rank to each employees within their job titles based on their salary. It then selects employees with the highest salary in each title group. The rank is determined using the row number function, ordering by descending salary within each title group. Finally, it's filtered for employees with rank 1 or rank 2, 3 as we choose to pass the value. So in the last video, we have seen a simple example, the same example with the help of correlated with the help of subquery, right? So the main difference is that two SQL queries have similar objectives or requirement, but use different methods to achieve them. So in the first query, it's directly select employees whose salary matches the maximum salary from their respective job titles. Achieve this by using a correlated subquery within the warehouse. It joins the employees 1024 tables with itself, alias as E and S based on employee IDs. This query could potentially be less effective, especially if the table is large, as the subquery has to be evaluated for each row. Second query using table expression. Second query using table expression, which is CTE. So it first create a temporary result set CTE called ranked employees. Within the CTE, assign a rank to each employees within their job title group based on their salary. Within the highest salary getting rank 1, then it select employees from the CTE where the rank 1, effectively selecting the employees with the highest salary in each title group. This query might be more efficient, especially for large databases. As the ranking operation is more uh, operation is performed once in the CTE, and then filtering is done on the already ranked data sets. It utilizes the row number, window functions, and partition by close to partition the data set by job title and order it by salary in descending orders within each partition. In summary, the first query directly filters employees based on a sub-query evaluating the maximum salary per title, while the second query first assigns rank to employees within each title group and then select employees with the highest rank such that highest salary using a common table expression. So that's it for this video. I hope this video would be understand and get knowledge about CTE and correlated subqueries. So thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the like button if you really like the video.